yo, that's a boy.
Nyako continued her criticism of singer Prince Indah, first targeting his traditional wedding attire and now questioning his appearance at the Kamba festival. She mocked his musical direction and suggested he was straying from his roots, implying confusion in his artistry. Her repeated jobs elicited strong reactions online, with some accusing her of seeking attention. It seems there is no love lost between Germany-based Kenyan influencer Roslyn Otieno, better known as Nyako, and Luo musician Prince Indah. Nyako criticized Indah's wedding attire, suggesting the design should be fired. She said she mistook Indah for a Catholic priest and suggested that he should have bought a suit in Europe instead. Oga Obinna responded by advising critics to focus on their own affairs, emphasizing that individuals should have the freedom to choose their wedding attire without external judgment. In turn, the outspoken content creator dismissed Obinna as a local celebrity and questioned his relevance. She even suggested that he might benefit from better skincare products. Nyako has once turned her guns on Prince Indah after his performance at the Kamba festival.